All right, here is the next question you must ask before selling your home. If I receive an offer that I don't like, should I ignore it? If you have more than one offer on your home, you can ignore any offer that you don't like. But if you only have one or two offers and you don't like a price, at least negotiate by submitting a counter offer. If you don't, you'll never know what price the buyer was actually willing to pay. You are wanting the highest price, the buyer wants the lowest price, and most often the seller and buyer meet somewhere in the middle, even if negotiations go on for days. Now, I wouldn't get into all the game playing that we see on reality TV shows. Any negotiation, just like any communication, is a ping pong game. The buyers submit an offer. If you don't like it, then ping pong it back to them with the price you're willing to look at. They may or may not ping pong it back again. I think the most I've seen in my career was 7 times that the buyer and seller went back and forth. Just keep in mind that as long as you're caught up in the counter offers, and it doesn't matter whether you're the buyer or the seller, as long as you're caught up in counter offers, the other party may suddenly go in a different direction and you could be left with nothing. So I don't encourage a continual game of ping pong as you try and find the bottom line. You might get left out in the cold. Let me know in the comments below, if you were to receive an offer that you don't like, would you likely ignore it? Or would you counter it and see if you could come together with the buyer on the price? Be honest, no judgment here. Everybody has their own strategy. I'm just curious, what would you do if you received an offer that you didn't like? Leave me a comment below.